Oh, got a KNK Brush Cutter here. This is quite a new machine, arrived on Tuesday. Only been used a couple of days, and after the third day went to pull on the good old pull start here, and basically it just is jammed rigid. Never had it happen before. So I've had over a dozen of these machines from the same supplier. We gave them a call to say that the machine seemed blocked, and they're pretty okay with us just pulling off this pull starter here to see what's going on. So we're going to put this camera on a stand and we'll see if we can get this off and try and figure out why this machine's not turning over.